Good morning, everybody. It is Chelsea Robinson from the home group at Keller Williams Fort Myers in the Islands. I have a client who's going to be buying this really beautiful home right behind me, new construction. And I figured before we go ahead and close on this, why don't I show you around, and this way you can see what some new construction looks like and what this price point is. So I am going to go ahead and walk you on through. All right, so welcome to Timber Creek. If you haven't checked out my video on Timber Creek before, I did actually sit down with one of the reps on this community, and I will go ahead and link that here. But I wanted to show you guys around one of the actual houses. Since that video, Timber Creek's a very popular property, right? They've got like 1,300 homes right now going in over here. And so I have had a few clients interested in this, and I thought that we would come take a look real quick. And maybe others would want to see what this looks like too. This is a gorgeous hallway. So this is one of they have 3 levels of finishes or styles of property. They are all finished based off of the size of the lot. So this is the largest of the 3 tiers. I believe that's called a Manor home. If it's not, I will fix this. We're in bedroom 1 right here at the front. This is a Jack and Jill bedroom. I don't think we've got electricity in here yet. These finishes are going to be also in the kitchen, so I'll go a little bit closer there. As you can hear though, this is an active construction area, and they should probably be out of this particular part of the community, I don't know, in the next 2 to 3 months. This one is slated to be finished by May, and I walked through that Jack and Jill bedroom and bathroom into the other side. So going back to the hall foyer, super wide entry here, bedroom there, bedroom here, each with their own entry points, their bedrooms, and then this middle section is that bathroom. Let's keep going. So as I was saying, it's the varying widths of the community. We've got either a dining room or a den here, depending on how you want to use it. This is a 4-bedroom with this dining room / den area. This particular home is also, comes with 3 bathrooms, and it's on the preserve. This is a drop station going into the 3-car garage. So they've got where you can kind of unload your groceries, drop your keys, keep your shoes. Nice big 3-car garage. Here is their air conditioning. Now, as I'm walking you through this, I want you guys to take a guess. Guess on how much this house is. This is the laundry room. I love this door right here. I'm going to go through that in a little bit and show you what that is connecting to the laundry room. You can take some guesses on that. But this is your laundry room area. There's a little bit more room on this side too, keeping your laundry baskets and so forth. Here is a bathroom. And here is the last of the guest bedrooms. This is a pretty substantially large bedroom. Closet over there. Let's check out I want to show you these floors. These are actually a tile. We've gotten here in Florida, really popular. People really like the look of wood, but wood does not wear well here at all. it's too humid. So we've had a huge surge in popularity on these, looks like wood tile floors. Look at this living room space. Gorgeous. Now I want you guys, like I was saying, guess what the price is gonna be. This one, it's one of the larger floor plans on one of the larger lots, one of the larger single stories. They do make a 2-story that is bigger. But this is a larger of the single stories on the larger style lots. We're on preserve, so we're not on one of the lakes. That does help in cost. This also does not have a pool in. I think my homeowners may consider one in the future, but right now it's not something that they actually want. Lennar does build them with pools though, so that's possible. So add all that into your pricing. And this is a luxury community. If you did watch that video, then you would know that this property has 3 pools and 2 restaurants and full activities. And so it is a very desirable location in terms of amenities and what you get for your money, with a relatively modest price point when it comes to the HOA fees for all you get. So this is like a little bar area, butler's pantry area, and on the other side is a walk-in for the pantry. I love that. We don't see walk-in pantries all that often. Also, just before I walk out of the living room, you do have like these nice coved ceilings. Super tall. And then this is the master. Big space. If you've seen this floor plan online, then you may have seen it with a tub. They were previously building, and I think the website still shows it with like a tub coming out here into the bathroom. Pretty much every new construction builder right now, or at least the big box ones who are putting up spec stuff, they have removed tubs. There's very few floor plans right now that are being built with a tub in them. Honestly, right now, the only one coming up to the top of my head is one of the 2-story floor plans that D.R. Horton is building. But Lennar has pulled all tubs from their new construction. So if that's something that you're looking for, it would have to be done aftermarket, meaning after you close, you'd have to go ahead and put it in afterwards. Or you would have to go custom, which is very expensive. Well, more expensive, right? Custom and longer time frames. These homes are going up right now with Lennar somewhere around the 5 to 6 month mark, or at least in this particular community. This is a huge closet. Whereas new construction custom is probably going to take you 18 to 24 months. So this was the master closet, and it connects straight to the laundry room. So tell me how easy it would be to do your laundry with that door connecting. Oh, that was my head against the rack. Tell me how easy it would be to put that door right there, laundry. And there's your double sinks, double mirrors. Let's go outside. All windows and doors on these are also hurricane impact, which is a huge upgrade. That's kind of top of the line. Not kind of, it is. Screened in patio. And then as I told you before, this one is looking at the preserve. This nice, big, beautiful lot. This one's kind of going on a corner. There's like a loop here. So you can see somebody walking their dogs. People on their patio over there by their pool. So this has got like this really big lot, which is nice. Nothing kind of here in the middle. Oh wait, there is. There's a house hiding. I didn't even see it. Cool. It's still big though, because it's coming out to the patio, or out to the corner of this preserve. A lot of these neighbors have already moved in. People next to me, I believe on this side has moved in. The ones behind me have moved in. I've sold one of those bigger houses down there, so I know they've moved in. And I don't expect construction to be going on too much longer in this section. It will be going on further down the street, but this is just about wrapped up. And then when they wrap up, they do come in and they clean up, you know, the preserve area and clean up the trash and stuff like that and make it all nice. So, all right, guys. So I am curious what your thoughts were. If you were able to guess the price correctly on this home, this one is listed at 600 and just shy of 610,000, I think it was. So it's on special right now. So let me know what your thoughts were. Is this something that you could see yourself living in? If not, that's okay. We all have our own desires, right? We all want, maybe you want a pool home, maybe you want waterfront home, whatever it is. If you need some help, feel free to give me a call. Happy to always help you. Feel free to pick my brain. Feel free to use my 96-page resource, moving guide to Lee County. Always happy to have a conversation. And follow me on social media because we do post daily little films, little tips, what's going on around town, things to do, things like that, new things popping up around town. So feel free to follow me there and get some ideas. As always, I wish you much health and happiness, and I'll see you next time.